Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best mold killer is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked tools in maintaining a healthy home environment, as unseen mold can silently compromise air quality and structural integrity, making a reliable solution crucial for anyone looking to effectively eradicate fungal growth and protect their living spaces from its pervasive and potentially harmful effects, ensuring peace of mind and a cleaner, safer home for everyone. Number 5. Green Gobbler Fruit Fly Goodbye Gel. Are annoying fruit flies taking over your kitchen? They can be a real nuisance, buzzing around your food and drains. Say goodbye to these tiny invaders with our powerful new treatment. It's specifically designed to target their breeding grounds. This unique gel formula clings to pipes and drains, reaching deep into the areas where flies lay their eggs. It eliminates them right at the source. You'll see a noticeable reduction in fruit flies quickly. Simply pour it down your drains and let it do the work. Enjoy a cleaner, fly-free environment once again. This gallon-sized solution provides ample treatment to keep your home clear. What we like. This unique product targets a very specific problem. Its thick gel formula clings to drain pipes, effectively eliminating fruit flies and their breeding grounds. If you have persistent fruit fly issues or need a dedicated drain cleaner, this is your go-to solution. What people say. Number 4. RMR Brands DIY Mold and Stain Remover Bundle. Introducing the ultimate solution for a cleaner home. This powerful bundle is designed to effectively eliminate mold and tough stains. It restores surfaces to their original condition. It's more than just a remover, it's a comprehensive mildew prevention kit. You get everything needed to not only clean but also protect your home from future growth. Beyond cleaning, this kit also acts as a powerful disinfectant spray. It helps sanitize surfaces, ensuring a healthier environment for you and your family. Designed for the do-it-yourselfer, applying this solution is straightforward and hassle-free. You can achieve professional results without needing expert help. Each bundle comes with 2 large 32 fluid-ounce bottles, providing ample product for multiple applications. This ensures you have enough to tackle all your problem areas. Say goodbye to unsightly mold and mildew. This kit helps bring back the pristine look of your surfaces, making your home feel fresh and new again. What we like. This comprehensive kit offers a complete solution for home users. It not only removes existing mold but also helps prevent its return with a disinfectant spray. If you are looking for an all-in-one DIY approach to tackle and prevent mold, this bundle is ideal. What people say. Number 3. RMR 86 Pro Contractor Grade Mold and Mildew Stain Remover. Are unsightly mold and mildew stains diminishing the beauty of your home or project? They can be tough to tackle, often requiring significant effort to remove. Discover the ultimate solution with RMR 86 Pro. This powerful cleaning solution is specifically formulated to eliminate those tough, embedded stains quickly and effectively. Engineered with a contractor-grade formula, it delivers professional quality results every time. You can trust its strength to handle even the most challenging stain removal tasks. Simply apply it to the affected area and watch as it works its magic. It penetrates deep to lift and remove stains, restoring surfaces to their original clean appearance. Each container comes with a full gallon, providing ample solution for large areas or multiple projects. This ensures you have enough to get the job done right. Say goodbye to persistent mold and mildew stains for good. It helps maintain a cleaner, healthier environment, making your spaces look fresh and new again. What we like. Designed for heavy-duty tasks, this powerful formula delivers professional results. It quickly tackles tough mold and mildew stains, making big jobs manageable. If you need maximum strength for severe mold issues or large areas, this is the professional choice. What people say. Number 2. APULITO Household Cleaner Gel. Are you tired of stubborn grime in your home? Keeping every surface sparkling clean can be a real challenge, especially in high-traffic areas. This powerful household cleaner gel is designed to tackle even the most persistent dirt and stains. It makes deep cleaning effortless, restoring shine to your home. Say goodbye to soap scum and mildew in your bathroom. It works wonders on shower tiles and grout, leaving them looking brand new. From greasy stovetops to stained sinks, this gel is your kitchen's best friend. It effectively cleans countertops and other surfaces, ensuring a hygienic environment. Its unique gel formula clings to surfaces, allowing for targeted application and maximum cleaning power. You'll be amazed at how easily it lifts away dirt without harsh scrubbing. What we like. This specialized gel is perfect for precise application on specific areas. Its thick consistency adheres to vertical surfaces like tile grout, ensuring deep cleaning. If you like targeted cleaning for small, stubborn mold spots in bathrooms or kitchens, this gel is excellent. What people say. Effectively eliminates mold and mildew from various surfaces. Features a fast-acting formula for quick results. Number 1. Wet and Forget Indoor Mold and Mildew Cleaner. Tired of stubborn mold and mildew? This powerful cleaner is your ultimate solution for a fresh, clean home. Not only does it clean, but it also effectively deodorizes, leaving your indoor spaces smelling fresh and inviting. It disinfects surfaces, killing an impressive 99.9% of bacteria and viruses. Keep your family safe and healthy with its powerful action. This versatile cleaner works on many surfaces, making it perfect for various cleaning tasks around your home. It's truly an all-in-one solution. Available in a convenient 128 fluid ounces refill, it offers great value and ensures you always have enough on hand for all your cleaning needs. What we like. This versatile cleaner goes beyond just mold, offering an all-in-one solution. It disinfects, deodorizes, and kills 99.9% of bacteria and viruses on various surfaces. If you are looking for a multifunctional cleaner that also tackles mold and keeps your home fresh, this is a great option. What people say. No reviews found in the source. No reviews found in the source. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.